Hi everyone, welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie. I make videos in Russian and English. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you all of the cross-stitch kits that I own or what I have in my possession. I've purchased with my own money. So let's start with Russian manufacturer that is called Magic Needle. I have 10 of their kits. This is beautiful, the scent of lilac. Next kit, this is Christmas Eve. Next kit is a nice night at the cafe. Night rendezvous. I'm not sure how to pronounce that word. Sorry. And this kit will go well together with the next kit. This is Dreams Come True. Beautiful romantic kit. What do you think? I think that these two will go well together. They have like a similar theme. Next kit is also by Magic Needle. Blossoming Window. Next kit is Cozy Place, like a porch. And this kit will go well together with the next kit. This is Blossoming Balcony. They look very nice together. What do you think? Next kit is also by Magic Needle. This is called Light of Hope. Next kit by Magic Needle. Solemn Etude. And last kit by Magic Needle is Roses for the Duchess. The next cross-stitch kit manufacturer is called, this is a Russian cross-stitch kit manufacturer. It's called Alisa. These are white poppies. Next kit by Alisa is Sunshine Dreams. Next kit by Alisa is Peonies. And the last kit by Alisa is Pink Tulips. Next cross-stitch manufacturer is Letty Stitch, and I have only 2 kits by this manufacturer. Magical Horses. Next kit, also by Letty Stitch. These are Summer Blooms. Beautiful pink roses. Next kit is by DMC. Blossoming Wellies. Next kit is by Virvaka. Or Virvako, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. These are lotus flowers. It's like you can cross stitch a holder for your toilet paper. Next kit is also Russian. This is Ovin. Beautiful winter day. Frost and sun. Next kit is by Panna. This is, I think it's also Russian. Autumn at the door. The next manufacturer is Dimensions. This is an old kit. Front door bow. Sorry about that. This is by Dimensions. Beautiful lighthouse. Next kit is by Dimensions. This is Japanese garden. And this kit has very, very beautiful colors. This kit will go well with the next one. This is Cherry Blossom Creek. So these two look very well together. Next kit is this Majestic Peacock. And the next kit that I have, I actually opened it. Started cross-stitching it a little bit, but then I put it aside. Next manufacturer is Jenlin, and I have 4 of their samplers. This is winter sampler. Next is spring sampler. Next is summer. And this is autumn. And the last kit by Jenlin that I own is this Farmer's Market of Country Farm Stand. Next kits are by Riolis. Beautiful geese. And these geese go well together with this rooster by Riolis. I think they will go well together. Next kit is also by Riolis. This is their premium collection. And the last kit by Riolis, also premium collection. pastoral. And the last kit, last but not least, my biggest kit that I own and I have in my collection. This was by DMC. It is so heavy. Flower Fairies, and this is like from A to Z. From A, all the alphabet. Really big kit. This is 34 by 22 inches or 86 by 56 centimeters. So this is going to be huge. And this, if you see here, this is advanced. This is not for beginners. I don't know when I'm going to start cross-stitching this one. No idea. Look at the amount of just the green color. You can imagine all the other colors. I mean, this is massive. This is huge. The chart is in black and white. I have no idea when I'm going to start cross-stitching this one. Well, that's about it. That's all the kits that I own. And I am going to be ordering more kits, both from Russia and from America. Maybe from Great Britain as well. I'm not sure. It depends. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section which cross-stitch kit you like the most. Have a great day and Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye.